Hello and welcome to another lecture of how to add product after installing Oballo app from AliExpress. So first of all you have to just go to AliExpress. aliexpress.com. From your Chrome. Remember that we have already installed extension of Oballo in Chrome, so don't forget to install that extension that is like here, shown here. Okay, so here in the AliExpress we will be going to add 20 products of 4 collections for jewelry. We will be setting up everything. So here one is jewelry set, so we will be opening 5 different tabs of AliExpress. So here we have opened 5 different tabs. The first one is jewelry set, and the one is and another one is jewelry box. So here is the third link. So we have added jewelry set, jewelry box, and then jewelry class, and then going for 4th collection. We are just adding these things because we will in the future, in next lectures, we will be setting up the collection. So prior we are just selecting the jewelry products with 5 collections. So here we have 5 collections opened in here in AliExpress. So here you see when I'm hovering to any product in AliExpress, you will see this add to Oballo. So this is the Oballo app we have already installed here in our apps in our Shopify. You have to open this Oballo app from your Shopify dashboard. Once we will select from here add to Oballo, the products will be start coming in here in import list in our Shopify admin of Oballo, right? So here I'm going to click add to Oballo, the first product of jewelry set. I have clicked on add to Oballo here. I will be also clicking on this add to Oballo, and add to Oballo, right? So here you see it's saying product added to import list. You can also check here by clicking on home and then clicking on import list if we have the 4 products. Okay, we have 3 products in import list here. You see the first product is here, another product, second, third one, and now we see what is the status. We will see which product is not imported. Nine to 5 sterling, 4-piece, fashion rose, 9 to 5 sterling, 4-piece, and fashion rose gold, fashion rose flower. So fashion rose flower, this one is imported, this one is remaining. We'll click again on it. You can also refresh it and click again. Add to color here. Over here see the products are added for this collection. We'll see here there should be 4 products in our import list. Okay, we have 4 products now from this collection. Jewelry set. We'll be just clicking on writing jewelry set the name, so we don't have to set the names again. Okay, we will be making all these things later in our next lecture. So here 4 products from this collection and then 4 products from this jewelry box. We will do it step by step. Okay, this product is added. Now we move to this product, second one, with the collection name jewelry box, because these products are showing against this collection. Second product is also added from here. Now we are going to add the third product. And then fourth one. Keep one thing in mind, that don't move to another window while you are importing the product from one page of AliExpress. So once it's imported, you can move forward to the next product in any other tab of your Chrome. So these are jewelry clasps. So we are pausing here and we are adding all the other products. Okay, here see we have already imported 20 products with 4 collection from AliExpress, and it's now all the products are showing in import list. So before going to add these products in Shopify store, we need some editings, and in the next lecture we'll be editing all these products and pushing it into the products of our Shopify store. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.